At the top of a hill overlooking the Pacific, Casa Solai seems to float above the jungle canopy, framing the ocean with lightness and silence. This house in Santa Teresa, Costa Rica, doesn't impose itself. It gradually reveals itself as you follow a stone path wrapped in native vegetation. The house emerges from the forest, one volume grounded on the terrain, the other suspended and wrapped in wooden brise-soleils. Between them, an open void connects the spaces and gently guides circulation. Each step is a moment of connection with the landscape. The composition is fluid, serene, and yet filled with intention. The entrance leads to a central vestibule that links the primary suite with the guest areas. Large glass panels with minimal frames ensure thermal comfort while maintaining constant visual connection to the sea and the lush greenery around. Terraces cascade gently down to an infinity pool that reflects the sky and merges with the horizon. On certain nights of the year, it's possible to watch the moon setting over the ocean, a natural performance perfectly framed by the architecture itself. The house is built with a lightweight steel frame and timber-clad pavilions, all anchored by a concrete base that grounds the structure and protects it against seismic activity. This hybrid approach allowed for precise execution while preserving the site's natural features. Reforested teak ceilings and natural stone walls enhance the sense of texture and continuity. The palette is earthy and soft in harmony with the region's coastal atmosphere. An open staircase floats within a vertical garden. The architecture is defined by contrast, grounded and elevated, sheltered and exposed. The house fragments its mass to better engage with the topography, the light, and the surrounding environment. The brise-soleils that surround the upper volume regulate light and airflow, reinforcing the sensation that the house is hovering above the land. All of the furniture was custom designed, with direct references to the home's structural language. Handmade elements by local artists and craftspeople coexist with select international pieces, creating a space that feels both sophisticated and essential. Sustainability goes beyond the materials. The home collects and filters rainwater, incorporates solar energy, and relies on cross-ventilation and natural shading to minimize the need for artificial cooling. This is a retreat that unfolds quietly over the landscape without excess. A home that feels suspended, light, serene, and fully attuned to the rhythm of nature.